Are you struggling with your tax filing process? This question probably resonates with many of us. Tax filing, with its endless forms and complex jargon, can be a daunting task. It's like trying to navigate a labyrinth with no end in sight. And it's no surprise that many find themselves lost and frustrated. But you know what? It doesn't have to be this way. Tax filing, however intricate it may seem, is a process that can be mastered. Yes, it involves numbers, financial terms, and legal requirements. But with the right tools and guidance, it can be simplified. Think of it as a puzzle to be solved, and with each piece correctly placed, you're one step closer to your potential refund. So if you're feeling overwhelmed by the thought of filing your taxes, you're not alone. But remember, every labyrinth has a way out. Fear not, this guide will help you conquer your tax filing woes. First off, understanding your tax forms is crucial. Each form serves a unique purpose, and knowing which one to use can make the filing process much simpler. One of the most common forms is the W-2. This is provided by your employer and details your earned wages and withheld taxes. If you're self-employed, you'll likely be dealing with a 1099 MISC. This form reports the income you've received from clients or businesses you've worked for throughout the year. Then there's the 1040, the US individual income tax return, which most taxpayers must file. This form is where you'll report your income, calculate your tax liability, and claim any deductions and credits available to you. Each form requires specific information, so it's important to gather your financial data thoroughly. Misunderstanding or misusing these forms can lead to errors, delays, and sometimes penalties. Knowing which form to use and what it entails is the first step towards simplifying your tax filing process. Next, you need to organize all your financial information. The significance of this step cannot be overstated. Having well-organized financial documents is like having a detailed map to guide you through the labyrinth of tax filing. Let's start with your income. Keep track of all your sources of income, be it your salary, rental income, or dividends from investments. A comprehensive record of your income will ensure that you report every penny accurately. Next, let's talk about expenses. It's a good idea to keep a log of your business and personal expenses. This could be as simple as saving receipts in a folder or as sophisticated as using a budgeting app. Don't forget about deductions. Things like charitable donations, mortgage interest, and certain educational expenses can be tax deductible. Keeping track of these throughout the year will save you from a headache at tax time. With your financial information at your fingertips, you're halfway there. You might want to consider using tax software or hiring a professional. Now, there's no one-size-fits-all answer to this. Each option has its own merits. On one hand, tax software can be a cost-effective solution. It guides you through the process, asks you pertinent questions to uncover potential deductions, and checks your return for errors. Plus, you can work on your taxes at your own pace, in your own space. On the other hand, a professional tax preparer offers personalized service. They can provide expert advice tailored to your unique financial situation. They can spot nuances that software might miss and help you strategize for future tax savings. Plus, they shoulder the responsibility of accuracy, giving you peace of mind. In the end, your choice depends on your comfort with numbers, the complexity of your tax situation, and your budget. Remember, choosing the right help can make a significant difference in your tax filing process. Finally, it's time to review and submit your tax return. This stage may seem straightforward, but let's not underestimate it. A keen, thorough review is crucial to ensuring all your information is accurate and complete. Start by cross-checking every detail. From your personal information to financial figures, double-check everything. Be extra cautious with your income and deductions, as these directly impact your refund or amount owed. Next, ensure you've availed of all applicable tax credits and deductions. Remember, these can significantly reduce your tax liability and potentially increase your refund. Finally, it's time to hit that submit button. If you're using an online tax software, the process is usually straightforward. If you're mailing in your return, be sure to use certified mail to track your submission. And remember, don't rush. Take your time, because accuracy here can save you from potential future headaches. And just like that, you've successfully filed your taxes.